What's the meaning of bioengineering? Bioengineering. Bioengineering.
Bioengineering. Bioengineering. Bioengineering is a field of study that combines principles of biology, engineering and other related fields to improve and develop new products and processes. It applies engineering principles to biological systems and living organisms, in order to create solutions for complex biological problems. Bioengineers may work on creating artificial organs, developing new medical technologies, designing more effective drugs, improving agricultural practices, and more. Bioengineering has made significant advances in recent years, with new breakthroughs and inventions being developed every day. It has the potential to revolutionize many different industries, and help us to better understand the complex workings of life itself.